Africa Twin software update for the Android Auto is available on the Honda website. It's recommended that you use a small size USB that you'll need to format. The format required is the FAT32. You can leave all the other settings at default. Yeah, just OK all that. Hopefully you have no information that you don't want to lose. Yeah, once that's done, head over to the Honda Powersports website, powersports.honda. Click on the Start Download, and you should get the CRF 1100 v3.10 update file. Just wait for that to do its thing. Let's go to the location where that's been downloaded onto your computer. And go to your formatted USB drive and just drag that along. Once the transfer is done, you can disconnect all that and head off down to your motorcycle. So just unplug all this, try and do it in the safe manner. I'm sure you can just plug it out if you like. Right, so once on the motorcycle, this is the Africa Twin 1100, so 2020 onwards. Assuming if you buy it after March, you'd probably get the update already. So that does take its time to start up. Okay, first check that you have sufficient battery, so above 12 volts. Mine's showing 13.7 on there, or 6. And navigate to using your key enter switch, navigate to your menu for the settings. Go to the service tab. And in the system information, see your software version there, and as nothing's plugged in, it says no software available. I mean, you could use touchscreen as well, you don't have to use the keys, just to demonstrate that. So on the right hand side by your indicator, you have the USB plug. Now because my USB stick is quite big, I opted for an extension cable, which I'll just plug into the socket there. Yep, so that's female end. I'll plug in the USB into that. So once plugged in, just let it do its thing. You don't need to do anything else. It should start installing automatically. It's done there. After a few minutes, update complete. Again, don't need to do anything, even though it says reboot required. That will do it automatically on its own. And that's now restarting. So just wait for it to get back to the main screen. So it does take its time. Yeah, okay, all that. Unplug the USB stick, and that should all be done. So to confirm, again, navigate yourself to the settings page. Go down to the service, and in the system information that should now have gone from 2.4 up to the 3.1 as it's there. That's confirmed, so that should be ready now for Android Auto. Just plug in your phone